Add 1 liter full-fat milk. Stir in between and bring it to boil. A half cup sago washed, soaked for 1 hour and drained. On low heat, stir it continuously and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, on medium heat, stir it constantly until the sago turns translucent. Once done, turn off the heat and set aside. Ghee 2 tablespoons. Almonds 10 chopped. Cashews 10 chopped. Roast until it turns light golden brown in color. Once done, remove from the pan and set aside. On medium heat, add sugar 150 grams. Water 2 tablespoons. Caramelize the sugar till it gets a nice, light golden brown color. Note: do not overcook, else the sugar will have a bitter taste. Pour the caramel into the sago mixture. Mix continuously till there are no lumps. Add the roasted nuts. Crushed cardamom 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. Serve hot.